What's up?
Dude, let me tell you about this. Well, that was the worst day ever.
What happened?
Alright, listen to this, man. So, me and her, we decided we're going to go to her dad's house for dinner, okay? They had a table set out with all kinds of food. It looked great. There was lobster.
Lobster?
Dude, yes, lobster. You wouldn't believe. So, how about we get ready to start eating? And she says,
Daddy, can you give me a fork?
we both stood up. Both me and her dad both stood up.
No.
Yeah, her dad don't like me no more. There's no way I can date her. I gotta break up with her, man. Dude, what's that smell?
Hold on, let me tell you first. I got off work, right? Was backing into my garage. In my backup camera, I looked like a chainsaw on the ground.
On the ground?
Yeah, on the ground, just sitting there.
A chainsaw?
Yeah. So I stopped. I got out. I was gonna see what it was. And all of a sudden, a man and a chainsaw just stood, chased me all the way to the door.
Dude, what?
Chased me all the way to the door. I was scared. Scared me so bad I shit myself.
You shit yourself.
That's why you smell what you're smelling.
Hold on, wait, when was this?
This morning when I got off work,
This morning, dude. It's like 7 o'clock in the afternoon.
I had a rough day.
What's on TV, man?
I think the game's on.
Yeah.